Right, welcome back. Let's do question 1.5. At each stop, the truck driver spent money buying food and other refreshments. The amount spent in rands is given in the table below. We have these amounts. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 151. Calculate the mean amount of money he spent at each shop. So what do we do? The mean amount, we add the data items and divide by the number of those data items. So there are 8 of them. So the mean here is equal to the sum of this 100 plus 150 plus 130 plus 200 plus 50 plus 180 plus 200 plus 190. You will get 1200, right? Then divided by 8. And then you get that the mean is 150 rands. Okay, that's the mean there.